was a cold morning, but then the weather is so nice, and I decided to start building my boat. The Coroplast you get usually is not in a perfect rectangle. To work around that, I establish a center line and measure everything based on the center line. The width of the Coroplast I'm using is 5 feet long, and the middle is 2 feet 6 inches. Unfortunately, it is right at the wall of the channel. Therefore, I have to shift the center line a little bit to the middle of the channel. This boat plant is relatively simple, and it took me about 1.5 hours to transfer the plant onto the Coroplast. And then it took me even less time, 1 hour and 15 minutes, to make most of the full lines. So in the first day, I spent about 3 hours in building the boat. Spacing about 1 inch spacing. The next step I consider to be the most difficult part in building this boat is to forward the very first time into the shape of a boat. Since this is a new design, I have to think about how to bend it, how to forward. I will do this in another day. If you like my video, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.